Oh, look at that.
They have unofficially canceled the top of the line Banshee with new innovative 800 volt architecture, which is it's still good, but
if they came out with it 3 years ago.
If they came out 3 years ago, yeah. They've neither confirmed nor denied the rumor. They acknowledged it and said, we have nothing to say this time, which they had lots to say about it a couple of years ago. So that's kind of...
They would have absolutely been like, no, this is the most exciting thing we're coming out with our electric vehicle platform.
Yeah.
Yeah, they would have been all over that.
Mopar Insiders basically said one of his insiders, who is a supplier for Dodge, said, yeah, they're not doing that anymore.
Because if you want to keep hype around a vehicle, you want to refute that kind of claim.
Yeah. Is likely due to the low sales numbers of the EV. Like I said, I've seen now 2 Charger EVs.
I've seen 4.
I predict next year, same time next year, I'll probably see hundreds of them throughout the year.
Mm-hmm.
Where I saw single-digit numbers of them.
But they're still expensive.
Not as expensive. Here's the main issue. We've said it before. No one that likes EVs wants a Dodge. No one that likes a Dodge wants an EV. If there's a Venn diagram of those two people, the circles either don't touch or touch in such a tiny sliver that you can't possibly expect to make any money off of that segment.
This was undertaken by a company backed into a corner and a company head who had a complete misunderstanding of the brand. They would have known that you either keep the V8, keep gas engines at least, you keep gas engines, or you get rid of Dodge. Because if you dump all this money into an EV project, all you're going to do is lose money. Mm-hmm. If somebody who understood what you just said about the dichotomy of EV and Dodge ownership would never have dumped the money into Dodge for an EV.
Not at all. They're like, that's crazy. And as a Dodge, you can call me a fanboy. I'm like, maybe they'll pull a rabbit out of a hat here. Maybe they will crack the code. And honestly, if the future is EV, do I want Dodge to exist in it? I'd like to. I'd like to have some raw American attitude, some sort of car still available to fill that niche if the future truly is exclusively electric. So on one hand, I'm like, if anyone can make it work, yeah, at least according to the sales numbers, they have not made it work.
No, I'm really hoping that the 6-pack does a better job.
Well, their big thing at the time was they said the Hemi won't fit in this new platform.
But it probably will.
Well, it actually fits after all.